This is a cute little airplane hat that actually has a little pilot in it. I've got two 260s. I've got a fashion blue with about an inch uninflated on it, and a key line with about 3 inches uninflated on it. We're going to start with a key line to make a little airplane, and it's just a basic airplane. Twist about an 1.5 to 2 inch bubble in the front, and we're going to make a pair of wings by making just basically two locking twists. So make about a 3 to 3.5 inch bubble. Another bubble the same size. Lock those together, just one wing, and then repeat that process. And I'll lay them alongside to match the size. Make the other wing just like that. And then we're going to come back about 4.5 to 5 inches, and we're going to make our tail. I'll make a little bitty small 1/2 inch bubble, make that a pinch twist, and then what I'm going to do is squeeze the rest out pretty much to the end. Grab a little bubble off the end, about 1.5 inches. And this is kind of tricky, but while I hold that with my pinky, I'm going to divide this other remaining bubble into two. There we go, bring it back. This is fun. Let's back it out. There we go. Now we're going to twist that small bubble around that pinch twist there. And then we're going to take this fold twist that we've created, or this locking twist, and we're going to divide that into two to get the rest of our tail. Bring the little bubble up on top, the pinch twist down on bottom, and you've got a fairly simple airplane there. Those wings, you notice, aren't going to stay flat very well. You could leave it like that and make it a biplane. But now we're going to grab our blue that we have left over, and I'm going to start by making a tulip twist on the end. So put my finger on the knot, push the knot into about the first or second knuckle, then reach through the balloon, grabbing the knot, pull my finger out, and twist it so you've got just a basic tulip twist on the end. Now we're going to make two pinch twists, and make sure when you do this first pinch twist that you get that knot locked in there. So make about a 1/2 inch bubble, and then make a pinch twist out of that. Another 1/2 inch bubble, make a pinch twist out of that. And that's going to be our pilot's little hat. We've got the brim and the top there. And make about a 2.5 inch bubble. Now we're going to take that, and that's going to lock here at the center of the wings. So just twist it around like that. And that pilot, his presence there, makes it cuter because you've got a little guy there, but it also helps hold those wings flat just like that. Sort of straighten it out. Let me go ahead and put a face so you can see what I'm talking about here. You got a little guy flying along there. He's happy. Now what you do is take the rest of it, measure out your kid's head, and you want to cross over just a little bit. Hopefully your kids aren't going to have heads that big. You never know, kids these days. And then I'll take that little bubble I've got left and I'll pull off a little bit and make a pinch twist. And that'll help it stay upright. And you've got a little airplane with a pilot, and you can either have them flying in the front of the head, or you can turn it and have them flying in the back of the head, your choice. There you go, a little airplane hat.